Everybody thinks about 4 years, 5 years, whatnot, and sometimes the planning and thinking is always confined to your welfare, your survival, and what you would like to do. Some of those countries we are talking about, like Southeast Asia and so on, people sit down and they start thinking about, 50 years, 100 years. I don't know whether you guys noticed the other day, Ghana held a conference, an all-parties conference, bringing everybody together, discussing the next 100 years planning for Ghana as a country. And that is a country now that is beginning to think like those Asian tigers we are talking about. My view is, for example, I keep telling my friends and my team that what will Kenya be and where will Kenya be at 100? We are now 62 years after independence. 38 years from now, when we are 100, what is going to be our country, as it were? Now, you guys are the brains. You are the people who have been educated. You live in this country. You see how these people work. The greater contribution that I expect myself is, let us now translate our efforts into this thing I've been calling the Diaspora Kenya Development Fund. A very strong caucus of the Kenyan diaspora that participates in legislation, policy, and so on. So that we start now helping our country to move forward. That we must think about diaspora beyond remittances. That you guys bring the money and paying school fees for your relatives and so on. You are seated at the highway of knowledge. You can build relations with institutions here. How do we help uplift our country? Someone said right from this podium a while ago about how other countries are leveraging on your populations to be able to create bonds that help us to do development. And you can, because you are a bigger group of people. So my request to you is this. Let us first think about our country and the future of our country and what we can do to leverage our presence here and strengthen the development of our country, alleviate the poverty of our people, open up the doors of opportunity, and so on.